Hello world, this is Mizu, and today I will share with you my journey of learning digital painting in 30 days using the iterative drawing method. I decided to start this challenge to finally learn digital painting, which I have been putting off for a while now. So, following the challenge of Inktober and learning the method of iterative drawing to improve one skill in one aspect at a time, I decided to go for it. So, here we go. First is guidelines. So every day we'll have at least 20 tries of each week's focus with complete analysis and correction process. The result and progress of this challenge will be posted in YouTube channel, which you are watching right now. And the challenge will last for a full 30 days. So here we go. Day 1 to 4 includes the study of the forms. So day 1 is just mainly using the knowledge that I have been using. I have just using the circle method and the usual way of drawing heads. Day 2 would include the learning process of how to draw the faces from any angle. So I would highly recommend watching Cynic's Designs video of drawing face from any angle. This is a very great video and I really hope you would take the time to just watch it. It's a complete game changer for me at least. So as you can see, the changes took effect already when I started using the method. So you can see this is the last day of the form studies. Day 5 to 9 would be the face values or colors, mostly on experimentation of the skin tones. Most of the focus is being drawn to the faces colors. I have no references or anything like that yet. So I'm trying to experiment my way on this. Day 5 to day 6, same structure. Forward to day 9 would be just the study of light and shadows. But mostly this day 5 to 9 is just a useless study. If I would think back myself, it would be better to just use the Asaro Head method. You must learn first the planes of the head. Day 10 to 12 would be the workflow discovery and experimentation. So these are the days that I have been trying to solidify my flow of drawing faces. That's day 10. Day 11 would be the great day to establish the flow that I have been working on. And day 12 will just be experimentation of the colors plus the flow too. So day 13 includes the study of the eyes, day 13 to 14. One great video about this is Cynic's Designs video too. Seems I'm endorsing him too a lot, but it's just a great way to learn how to draw and paint the eyes. So he has some short videos and how to explain and run over through the flow of drawing the eyes. Highly recommend going there and watch that. Day 14 would be the painting of the eyes. Day 15 would be the lips. This is drawn first and then painted after. Main thing that you will need to learn in drawing lips is that you would start with the V line here and then draw the T line after, and then just establish the little lines that you have on the top and just draw the shadows of the bottom of the lip. That will help you to understand more of your lips drawing. Day 16 is the study of the hair. I watched some videos regarding hair structures and painting, and I managed to improve a little bit, or at least it went in a way that I wanted to at least go into. There's also another version just to solidify the realization that I learned. Day 17 is experimentation and also just the testing of knowledge. The skin tones aren't that attractive, but I was proud how it became in the end. Day 18 to day 19 would be the study of the Asaro Head. Asaro Head is kind of the model for drawing the planes of the head. I will link a great reference in the description below. Drawing it first would help you to establish the forms and know where to go. Day 19 is also a study. Day 20 to 21 would be the study of the values of the Asaro Head. It's mostly on the lightings and shadows of the Asaro Head. So day 22 to 30 is the painting process of full heads. So I was trying to solidify the knowledge and trying to put it in one place. Day 22 just consisted of trying to draw another character from Genshin Impact. It didn't quite end well. I'm not sure how to draw anime types of painting. And the next day I tried to draw a kind of realistic, more of a portrait. I was also kind of proud how it turned out. Day 24 would also be a painting of the full head. I'm also kind of proud of this painting. Day 25 would be experiment of flow. I was trying with new colors, although it didn't end well. It kind of looks bland and not really realistic, but I like how it turned out here in the first painting. Day 26 would also be the experimentation of colors, although it didn't turn out pretty well. It was a bad painting overall. Day 27 would be a painting of Diva from Overwatch. So I use a reference here and I'm pretty proud how it turned out, but I guess I wanted for it to become so much more. Day 28, another imagination drawing. So I tried to draw from my imagination. Day 29, same thoughts. So I tried to draw from my imagination, but it didn't turn out pretty well, especially these shadows under the eye sockets. And day 30 would mark the last day of the challenge. So it kind of turned out pretty well. I finished this on September 24. Although I started in August 2. It spanned 30 days and I've been very proud of how it turned out. I think the whole lesson of the challenge was just to stay consistent. Most importantly, use iterative drawing method. I think it would be better to study one aspect at a time. That is why there are some sections that are just for the eyes, the lips, the hair. Drawing multiple and preferring quantity over quality would very much help you in improving more instead of just trying to draw full portraits and using reference for that. As much as possible, do one thing at a time. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll start your journey in digital painting too. Thank you and goodbye.